Understanding variables and programming.
Variables are used in programs to store data that can be accessed or changed during execution. They act as containers for information, making code more flexible and readable. Understanding how to declare and name variables is essential for writing clear and effective code across all programming languages.
How to declare variables.
To declare a variable, you typically specify its type and give it a name. Some languages like Python do not require explicit types, while others such as Java or C++ need you to specify whether the variable holds an integer, string, or something else. Declaration tells the computer to set aside memory for the variable.
Best practices for naming variables.
Use clear and descriptive names for your variables. For example, use user age instead of just A. Avoid single-letter names except for simple counters or loops. Consistency in naming helps others understand your code and makes it easier to maintain. Remember, variable names are case-sensitive in languages like Java and Python.
Common naming conventions.
Different programming languages often follow specific naming conventions. In JavaScript and Java, use camel case like username. Python favors snake case, such as username. Constants are usually written in all capitals, for example, max size. Following conventions makes code more standard and readable.
Mistakes to avoid when naming variables.
Avoid using reserved words like class or int as variable names, since these have special meanings. Don't use spaces or begin names with numbers. Steer clear of overly generic names like data or value. These can confuse you or other programmers when reading code later.
Summary: writing clean and consistent code.
Declaring and naming variables correctly leads to code that is easier to read, update, and debug. Follow your chosen language's conventions, use descriptive names, and avoid common pitfalls. Mastering these basics helps set the foundation for effective and professional quality programming.